Good morning students, welcome back to your maths class. Today we will discuss about the days of week. It is your chapter 12 time and we have already discussed about time. Today we will start from here, days of week. These are the days of week you already know. We will learn how to put it in correct order. First day is Monday. So it is first or it is a short form. Second, Tuesday. These are all in orders. Which day of the week do you like the most? You can write here any day which you like the most, like Sunday. Which is the third day of the week? Third day is Wednesday. So you will write here Wednesday. Which is the fifth day of the week? Fifth day is the Friday. These are the months of year. There are 12 months of year, January, February. You have to learn its all spellings. And I can ask questions which is the 6th month of the year, which will be the 10th month of the year. So you have to learn its order. Exercise 12.2. Given below is Purva's timetable for the week. Monday, piano. Tuesday, dance. Wednesday, karate class. Thursday, yoga class. Friday, no class. Saturday, music, and Sunday, chess. Now we will give answers. On which day does Purva go for music class? Music class के लिए which day, कौन से day पर जाती है वो? तो you have to find music and day is Saturday. So you will write here Saturday. On which day does Purva go for the karate class? Karate class के लिए कौन से day पे? Karate, this is karate class. This day is Wednesday. So you will write here Wednesday. And like this, chess class is on Sunday. On which day does Purva has no class? No class on Friday. Now match the following. The week begins on. Week कौन से day से start होता है? I have already told you week start. There are 7 days and first day is Monday. So your week begins on Monday. You will write here 1. You will put. You can write here numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So Monday is the first day. This day that come after Thursday. Thursday के बाद कौन सा डे आता है? Friday. So it is the second answer. Which this day comes before Wednesday से पहले कौन सा दिन आता है? Tuesday. तो it is answer of 3. This day falls before Thursday. Thursday से पहले Wednesday आता है. तो you will write here 4. This day falls between Wednesday and Friday. Wednesday and Friday के बीच में Thursday है. तो it is of answer 5. And between Friday and Sunday, फ्राइडे और संडे के बीच में सैटरडे है. तो दिस इज आंसर ऑफ 6. एंड लास्ट डे ऑफ द वीक इज संडे. नेम द मंथ दैट कम्स बिफोर दिसंबर. नाउ यू हैव टू लर्न द नेम ऑफ मंथ्स एंड नेम द मंथ दैट कम बिफोर दिसंबर. दिसंबर से पहले कौन सा मंथ आता है? नवंबर. Name the month that come before March. February. How many Fridays are there in November? Now you have to find Fridays in November. Look at your month of November. Carefully you have to do practice of calendar also. These are Sundays, Mondays, Tuesday line है ये Thursday की line है, ये Friday की line है. तो देखो ये Friday है, सॉरी. Friday में कितने हैं? फ्राइडे में कितने फ्राइडेज हैं? 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड 5. सो यू विल राइट हियर 5 फ्राइडेज इन नवंबर. विच डे इज 6 जनवरी. तो 6 जनवरी को आपको डे चेक करना है. दिस इज द 6 एंड दिस इज द मंथ जनवरी एंड इट इज संडे. ऑन 6 जनवरी देयर विल बी संडे. And you have to complete the table. How many days in 30 days you have to write the name of months. Like here 30 days April, these have 31 days, these have 30, so you will write here June, September and November. Months which have more than 30 days. So January, March, May, July, August and October and December. You have to write full months names. And this is a method how to learn the name of months, days of month in January, February. First upper side is January, lower side Feb, upper side March, and whatever months will come upper side they will have 31 days, and the months will come in lower side they are having 30 days. So try to do practice or find out days of 30 and 31 in months. Now you have to do this revision exercise yourself.